So in your Windows computer keyboard, and if your number lock is off, you must turn on the num lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. And at the same time you must type here in this section here. You must type 1 3 2 5 2. After typing 13252, you can release your finger from this alt key. See this in. Remember, this is the keyboard shortcut. There is alt 13252. This is the keyboard shortcut for creating a cubic centimeter squared symbol in your Windows computer. So try this after opening Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. So this video helps you. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.